Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. Black paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated and cooling seats with a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, power sunroof, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel next to your Bose audio system. Power windows, mirrors, and locks with memory settings and power folding capability. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have your trailer brake controller, several different driving modes, and some interior and exterior lighting controls. Black leather bucket seating with power controls and lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, while the right has voice recognition and directional controls for the screen in front of you, which has plenty of information and vehicle maintenance screens here that you can scroll through. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You have your phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, as well as navigation. A few more radio controls just below the screen. Dual zone climate control has your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls, as well as your heated and cooling seats for the driver and the passenger on either side. A few controls below include your power adjustable pedals, traction control, you can turn that on and off, parking sensors, lane departure warning, and a few others. Several outlets for you to use along the front here with a holder here at the front for your phone, storage compartment as well. Dual cup holder just in front of the center console, which you can open up for more storage space on the inside, as well as a couple more outlets. Up top you have the rear view mirror. You also have the power controls for your rear sliding window and sunroof located above you, and sunglasses holder tucked at the front there. In front of the passenger you have a storage compartment above the glove box, so there's some storage space in the front of the vehicle if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You can see that black paint, the black bow tie emblem in the center of the grille with the Z71 badge in the corner. Black front recovery hooks along the bottom of the front bumper, aluminum wheels with the bow tie logo in the center, chrome mirror caps with your blind spot mirror and integrated turn signal on the front, chrome door handles as well. At the back you have the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back. We'll go ahead and open up the tailgate here. You can see the rolling tonneau cover there as well. You have cargo tie-down locations at each corner and tons of space, and the assist for the tailgate makes it super easy to close when you're all done. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You've got the same black finish that you had in the front, magazine holders on the backs of the seats, the black leather seating here as well. The center folds down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You can lift the seats and lock them into place, giving you way more storage space in the back. And on the back of the center console, you have a 12-volt outlet for your rear passengers to use, as well as a couple of storage compartments if they need them as well. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.